Most people still think deleting their Instagram is complicated or that it takes forever to pause the account, and that's why they stay stuck scrolling every night. If you've been wasting hours on Instagram and want control back, the trick isn't obvious, and most guides are already outdated for 2026. By the end of this, you'll know exactly how to temporarily deactivate your Instagram account safely, what mistakes to avoid that lock you out, and how to pause without losing your content. Open your laptop or phone browser. This cannot be done from the app anymore in 2026. Most people try the app and fail. Go to Instagram.com in a browser. Step 1, log in with the account you want to deactivate. Step 2, click your profile icon on the top right, select Profile, then click Edit Profile. Step 3, scroll down to the bottom. You'll see Account Center. Click it and then go to Personal Details. When you are on the Personal Details page, hover your mouse and click Account Ownership and Control, and then you will find the Deactivate or Deletion button. This is to temporarily deactivate my account. Click it. Now here's where most people mess it up. Instagram asks why you are deactivating your account. You must select an option from the drop-down. Skip something else. Instagram sometimes doesn't allow temporary deactivation if this is selected. Step 4, enter your password. This confirms you are the account owner. Step 5, click Temporarily Deactivate Account. And that's it. Your account is paused. Nothing is deleted. Here's the small optimization most people miss. After deactivation, clear your browser cache or log out. This ensures that when you log back in later, Instagram won't auto-reactivate accidentally. A common mistake, some people try to log in immediately after deactivation from the app. Instagram will show errors. Wait at least 24 hours for changes to fully apply. Reality check. This doesn't delete your account. Everything, photos, followers, comments, stays. You can reactivate anytime simply by logging back in. Stacking tip for 2026. If you want completely avoid distractions, combine this with Instagram notification off on your phone while the account is deactivated. This prevents accidental login. Next step most people ignore. Make a note of your username and password in a secure password manager. That way you can come back later without guessing or recovering login info. In the next video, I'll show you how to completely archive your Instagram content safely before reactivating. Most people lose their posts or stories because they don't back up properly. If you want more practical systems like this, the ones that actually work, subscribe. Now ask yourself, if you could pause Instagram for a week without losing anything, what would you do at that time?